Now, moving on sa problem number 2, you are driving a horizontal adit at 1,200 meters level to reach a vertically dipping vein whose outcrop appears at 1,300 meter elevation. The slope between the portal and the outcrop is about 45 degrees. You're advancing at 5 meters per day. How long will it take how will it take you to hit the vein? So, ang na to ni pag-visualize sa problem. So, basahan na tong first. You are driving a horizontal adit at 1,200 meter level. So, from the word horizontal, dapat padalong dire. So, nag-drive tag, horizontal. Tapos, at this certain point, naka-reach ta og vertically dipping vein. So, pasabot sa vertically, patindog. So, starting point na to, dire, na ang kanimong point, first point. Pag abot nimo diri naka-hit ka or naka-reach ka vertically dipping vein, which is kani murag nakaigo ka dere og vein. I don't wala man na specify unsa na vein, but kani daw na vein is naga ang iyang outcrop is naga-appear at 1,300 meter elevation. So, kung kani 1,200 ni nata sa 1,200 nga elevation nakahita diri kani daw na vein is naga-outcrop at 1,300 meter. So, makita daw ni siya at 1,300 meter elevation. Now, the slope between the portal, which is kani, and the outcrop is 45 degrees. So, i-connect na to ni siyang duha. 45 degrees daw. Now, you are advancing at 5 meters per day. How long will it take you to hit the vein? So, unsa ang ginasolve dere? Ang ginapangita dere is unsa kadugay nimo ni maigo starting from your portal. So, how many days or how long will it take para from here makaabot ka diri So, kung tanawon na to, ang problem, mura siya ginani or pag i-visualize na to ang problem, mura siya ginani. So, unsa na to siya pag-solve? Since naman tayo given nga elevation, 1,300 o 1,200, pwede na to kuhaon ang kanina side, which is ang adjacent side. Di ba? Kay, kanya man ang opposite, di ba? Kay, naman ang angle dire. So, kanya ang opposite side, kanya adjacent, and then hypotenuse niya, obviously. So, unsa na to pagkuha sa adjacent side? Simple is mag-subtract tag 1,300 sa 1,200. So, natin 100 meters. So, kanina side is 100 meters. From there, pwede na nato na makuha ng value, di ba? Ang sa atong gamiton, TOA, which is tan theta is equal to opposite over adjacent para makuha na to ang adjacent side. So, from there, adjacent side, ang opposite side ay kinukuha naman na to ang adjacent. So, para makuha na to ang opposite side. So, substitute na tong values, tan 45 is equal to opposite, wala pa man tayong values opposite, adjacent, adjacent na to is 100. After ana, cross multiply lang na to, makakuha tag 100 tan 45, tapos opposite. Then, plot lang na to na value sa calculator, 100 tan 45. So, according sa calculator, 100 ato ang kani. So, ang length daw ani, or ang katasonan is 100 meters. Now, since kabalo na ta sa katason sa atong portal to vein, kailangan na to siya i-subtract according sa meters per day. So, since sa 100 meters, pila ka 5 meters per day atong kailangan. So, 100 meters, i-divide na to, okay, divide lang na to 5 meters per day. Ang answer ana is 20. So, in short, para makaabot ta from portal to vein, kailangan to at least 20 days given na 100 meter ang iyahang katason. Okay?